Hi, this is Bella from House of Travel Shirley. We are south of Russia in a little place called North Ossetia, and today is a very special day. We're celebrating and we're gonna pass to our main man. We are on traditional wedding, and you can have a look at the setup for the wedding. Usually they invite about 300 people and they set up the table.
So at the wedding here we've got about 350 people, and they're all sitting, all the men sitting in one area, and then all the women sitting on the other area. Drinking with family and friends, and normally the toast tradition is they have like an animal's horn that they fill up with just some alcohol to celebrate everything, like to celebrate men and women and just everything about protecting the country and everything. So these people here have we're just around at in-laws' home, so I'd just like to say thank you for everyone of what they've all done, and for us they've prepared all this food for us. So this is for him. So in Ossetia they normally do 3 toasts. The first one is to God, the second one is to St. George, and the third one is to family, and then whatever they feel like, whatever situation they are in would be after that. But in New Zealand they want me to say a toast like if we were in New Zealand. For us it would probably be family first, and I'd probably like to say it'll be for the family that aren't here. I'd like to have a toast for them that aren't here so we can remember them, but also the family that are here, even though they might not be immediate family, they are close family. So I'd like to say, yeah, I wish you all the best, and here's to looking up your address. Cheers, thanks.